we talk about the blood supply of the thyroid gland, take this as the representation of the neck. Just for the sake of understanding, let's say this is the site where you have the thyroid gland, right? So this is the orientation of the thyroid gland that we have. So you have the right lobe, the left lobe, and the isthmus of the thyroid gland. We all know that predominantly the thyroid gland has a dual blood supply. One is going to be the superior thyroid artery, another one is going to be the inferior thyroid artery. Now to understand this, let's say this happens to be the arch of aorta that you have. Now from the arch of aorta, you have the brachiocephalic artery, the left common carotid, the left subclavian, and then it continues across here. Now, from this point onwards, you see the brachiocephalic is present here. This is going to go into the right subclavian artery, and then it is going to continue as the right common carotid. So this is how the right common carotid is going to go all the way across it. Now, this right common carotid is going to split into the internal and the external carotid, and this is the bifurcation I'm showing you for our reference. Now, at the same time, you have the left common carotid, which is going to go across here in this fashion. This is going to split into the internal and the external carotid artery in the same line, right? And this happens to be your left subclavian artery, right? Until this point, we all know it. Just for the sake of understanding, I'm just going to label it also. This is the brachiocephalic artery. This happens to be the right subclavian artery. This happens to be your left subclavian artery. This is your right common carotid. So this is the right common carotid. Okay, I'll just put it here because I don't want to disturb the diagram. And this is the left common carotid. Okay. This is your external carotid artery. This happens to be your internal carotid artery. This happens to be the internal carotid artery. Now we all know that there are two blood supplies to thyroid gland, the internal and the superior and the inferior thyroid artery, right? So where does the superior thyroid artery rise? Where does the inferior thyroid artery rise, right? Now from the external carotid artery,